Good morning, welcome back. Today I'm going to fix my daughter's car. Need to fit a new clutch. She's got a Citroen C1. I think you've seen it in one of my videos before. Yesterday was 40 degrees in the UK and today is a little bit cooler, but I've just jacked the car up and I'm already sweltering. Oh joy. Let's carry on. Okay, the first thing I need to do, drain the oil out of the gearbox. So I've got this bolt here and it's a 24mm, so just remove that to empty the oil out of the gearbox. Hopefully I don't drop it, it doesn't matter if I drop it in there. Oh, look at the state of that. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, well caught. Okay, once that's drained, make sure you put the plug back in. So we've got this little plastic cover. We just got 3 10mm bolts, 2 at the top here, 1 at the bottom here. Can you see my finger? Mm-hmm. Yeah, 1 at the bottom here. Yeah. And just need to take them off and move it out of the way. So we just need to remove the ball joint from the bottom here. We've got a split pin in here with a castle nut. So just remove the split pin. Okay, let's take this off from here and get this, just tap that in and tighten it up. Like so. Okay, let's get a big bar in here and slide it all the way through to there. And then what I'm going to do is get my son to gently, slowly push on the end of the bar. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it, and release gently. That's it. That's that one off. Perfect. There's come in. That's it, it's out. There we go. Turn it. Go on, turn it. That's it, there you go. That's it. Pull it up. I think that one came out easy from the other side. Let's have a look. There we go. Lovely. Right, take this off. These are 12mm. Okay, and them out of the way. Set the clutch cable out of the way. 14mm. That is a 17mm. $17mm in there, if I can get to it. Okay, this plate at the bottom here, 14mm yet again. 3 bolts holding that on. This one exhaust gets in the way, so we'll do a stand up. I've got 14mm, there we go. That's it. Set the plate off. Okay, 19mm. Woo! There she is. Okay, I need to support the engine because I'm about to take the engine bracket off. So, doesn't need to do too much. You just need to take the weight of the engine, and then we need to take these 3 off. Okay. Woo! Slide out. One gearbox on the floor. Okay, let's take the pressure plate off. So, as we start releasing this, so these are 12mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3. So here's the clutch plate and the pressure plate. So the pressure plate looks fine. The amount of stuff that's on the clutch isn't too bad. But one thing I have noticed, look at these. They are literally chewed to bits, and these are supposed to be quite tight. So there's been a lot of snatching of this clutch by the looks of it, which is probably why it's done what it is. In centre. So the way that this works is the centre part goes through, opens up the plastic, grabs hold of the clutch plate, and this one adjusts and pulls the plate towards the pressure plate. Okay, let's put the first bearing on. One in there, and one under there. That's it. Oh, that's on. Okay. Okay. Okay, put this plate back in, like so, and these are 14mm bolts. So it's been a few days since I started to do the clutch on my daughter's car. Got rained off and I had quite a few technical problems with my camera. Anyway, I seem to have fixed the issue with the camera, so I just need to finish the car really. And I'll just show you all the little bits that I've done. So all the wheels are back on, drive shafts are back in. I think we recorded that, can't quite remember. All the links are back on, the clutch cable's back on, and this side is all back in. I'm sure that I did get it, but with the technical problems I've had with the camera, I couldn't really go back and check before I started filming the last bit, because my daughter has to pick up this car today, so I need to get it finished. So I just need to fill up the gearbox with gearbox oil. So hence, here's the gearbox oil. A couple of things you need. 2 of these. I think it's 1.7 litres of gearbox oil. And I've got this bit of hose with a funnel, because these do not reach down there to fill the gearbox up with oil. So just get a bit of garden hose, and the garden hose goes in the hole, and you pour the oil in the top here from the top with ease. So here's the gearbox. This is the fill point. The radiator is behind, so this is on the most forward facing part of the gearbox. I've loosened it off. It was really tight. So I'm up the top here, and I'm going to start feeding down through the fan the hose pipe. Should just start coming down now. Then, yeah, hello. The reason why I come through the fan is so we're at a better angle to come across into this hole. And as you can see, the pipe only just fits into that hole. There is a little bit of a gap, so the oil will spill out once it's full enough. So, there like that. Just pour this into here. Oh, just keep an eye on down below. Just have a little look. So that's that. I'll get my clamps, because there's still going to be oil in this pipe, and I'll clamp that off just to stop it dripping on me. There we go. That's that. Just starting to ooze out there. Come on. There we are. Like so. That's it. So, give that a quick wipe over. That's nice gearbox oil in there. All lovely jubbly. That's nice and tight. So that's it. That's the clutch replaced on my daughter's car. Yeah, a bit of a task, bit of difficulty of getting the gearbox back in, but did it in the end. A few technical problems with my camera. I think I'll need to invest in a new one. And that's it. Just like to say that, just to advise you, I am no mechanic, far from it. I just like tinkering with bits and pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next episode of Madness.